Hello and namaste. Welcome back to Surbhi's Kitchen. Today we are going to make fast recipes. Firstly, we will take 1 cup bhaggar ka atta, 2 boiled potatoes, rock salt as per your taste, black pepper. Mix all the ingredients and knead a dough. The dough should be tight. इसे हाथ से ही रोटी जैसा बनाएंगे और तवे पे सेकेंगे। इसे भगगर का डोडा भी कहा जाता है। This is very easy and quick recipe. अब हम बनाएंगे फास्ट में खाने वाली आलू की सब्जी, जो कि डोडे के साथ बहुत अच्छी लगती है। इसके लिए घी में 2 चम्मच भगगर का आटा लेंगे। आटे को थोड़ा भूनने के बाद मैश्ड बॉइल्ड पोटैटो लेंगे। Add water. Boiled potatoes cut into pieces. Rock salt, black pepper. Mix them. Add fresh coriander leaves. Bring it to boil and it's ready to serve. Add lemon juice if you want. You can also skip it. डोडा सब्जी is ready. Now we are going to make साबूदाने की कटलेट और टिक्की. For this we need 1 cup boiled potatoes, sabudana, green chili, curry leaves, coriander leaves, peanut powder, rock salt, black pepper, lemon juice. Mix them well. Grease your hands with oil and give it the shape of tikki. Deep fry it in medium hot oil. Our tikkis are ready. Yummy! Now we are going to make sabudane ki kheer. For this we need 1 cup milk, half cup sugar, 1 cardamom, half cup sabudana. Bring it to boil. Add your favorite dry fruits. See how sabudanas are shining? It is very simple and tasty dessert. Our Navratri meal is ready.